In this video, we have a look on how to get from a reference image to an AI-created 3D model, send it without editing to the 3D printer, and see if it's an actually usable object. In my previous video, I've shared a brief look at a new 3D model AI creating software, backflip.ai, and left with the question if the models can actually be usable for 3D printing. There are lots of models on the platform that probably are more suitable for pure digital visualization, rather than 3D printing. I've done a lot of testing to create 3D printable models, and I want to share one straightforward example today. The goal is to get a model without any model editing or extensive printing preparation. Create, download, print. I thought of a household object and went on Google to search for a reference image, an egg cup. It is important that the image only shows the actual item to print, so in this case, edit the image and isolate the cup. Rather than creating an image from a prompt or sketching it, we now upload our reference image to the software and click Generate. Backflip AI now creates and suggests 4 different 3D models after some seconds of generation. I choose the one of my liking, as it resembles the input image best. With that, we jump to the 3D viewer and editor and download the STL file. The goal was not to edit anything, so I bring it straight into my 3D printing software, Bamboo Studio, where I need to adjust the size of the model so it fits an actual egg. Then I can prepare it for 3D printing on my Bamboo Lab P1S. At this point, it's already clear that the model is usable, which is confirmed after clearing the model from the support structure and looking at the model. The printed egg cup resembles the input image. To be fair, it is a simple object, and the software did fail on complex ones, let alone manual editing that would be required for clean 3D printing. I am curious where the technology is headed. I don't believe it will ever replace the artistry and engineering of creating cut models of objects, but it will enable many more people to test, prototype, and create usable objects at home.